Hi everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my hotel room. Hopefully I have a background here. I'm not sure. I'm trying the green screen thing here in the hotel room. But today I have the HomGeek, and it's a blender, and I did open it. I cheated a little bit because I opened it a little bit and was trying it out, and I tried a video that didn't work, so I'm gonna re-video this again, and we're gonna try to reopen it again. But it's a high-speed blender. I have, if you know me, you know I've made the super awesome strawberry slushies and things that I make at home, and I have a fancy, super expensive, like $300 blender, but I'm gonna give this one a try because this one is way less expensive and it looks like the same kind of thing. So let me just pause my TV here because it keeps changing colors. There we go. Okay, and let's open this up and check it out and see what's inside. So we have the manual here, so you can see that. And it comes with, cool, it's good. What comes with it's very cool. It comes with a 50 recipe cookbook, and it's kind of cool. You can see all the different greens and things like that you can make. So, there's pictures on that side, but it's cool. You can make soups and all sorts of stuff. So then we have the canister, which is right there. So you can see, and it looks like, you know, something you'd see at like Jamba Juice or something like that. You know, they all kind of look like that. So it's really cool. I'll put that there. Kind of see it. It's got the lid for it, and then it's got the little cap on. Got the cap on the lid if you want to keep it closed. Oops, where did it go? Well, we're not going to find that cap again. It probably fell into the bed. But then we have the little pusher, and what's cool about this pusher is, so when you have the lid on the blender and you put the top on it, you can squish it around without hitting the blades. I one time forgot on my other one without the thing, I cut it off and I had to buy a new pusher for a lot of money. Okay, and then we have in the rest of this box here, there's some stuff here, and then here is the blender. And it's pretty heavy. You can see it there, so that's what it looks like. And I have a lamp I'm gonna plug it into over here, so it'll be interesting to see if this thing actually works. Plugged into a lamp, or if I blow a fuse in this hotel room. So there's what the what, can I get it any closer? Not really. So this is about as close as we're gonna get. So there, this is what it looks like. I'll show you. Here, I'm gonna unplug it for a second so you can see what it all looks like. So here's all the switches on it and things. You can see it's got the, you know, the different one there for smoothies and things and cook and soup and whatever. And then you've got the dial to just turn it on manually, and then it'll display. So when we plug it in, nothing displays because it's not ready to go yet. So you can see there's nothing on the display yet until you put this thing on it. Then it starts to light up and beep and do its things, and you can kind of see there's the little settings and that. So let's give this thing a whirl. We're gonna put some hotel ice into this. Kind of weird. I know, we're just trying it out to see what kind of power we got here. And then we're gonna give this thing a whirl. So let's pull it back here a little bit so you can see. It's gonna be hard to do with me holding it, but there it is. Well, there we go. So we made ourselves some slush, and you see it had no problem whatsoever with power. This thing just chopped up that ice like there's no tomorrow. So this is really sweet. So there it is, and it's like just goopy, smushy, mushy ice. So really cool. So I mean, I don't think you would normally just mush up ice. You usually have strawberries and other things in there. If you just do ice, you know, it kind of builds a little wall and stuff, and then you'd have to use this thing and push it down again to really make it work. But this made a lot of smushy, mushy ice, so that's pretty cool. And what's cool about this too is there's the different settings on it, and like one of the settings here was like soup. So I don't know how that works. I've never made soup in my other one either, but I guess, you know, in the recipe book it's going to show you how to do that. But you can but I think what it does is it blends for a really long time and heats things up. So that's kind of cool. But I like to make smoothies. I'm more of a smoothie guy, and especially here in Florida, I'll be making a lot of smoothies. I'll be sitting out by the pool and getting smoothies while you guys are freezing somewhere else in the country. But this is by the well, I don't know if it's HomGeek or HomGeek. You can kind of try to figure out how you would say that yourself. Let me put this down for a second, and let's see what's in the manual. If there's anything you need in the manual, probably not. it's just kind of saying, you know, watch out how you do it and stuff like that. And it probably says don't plug it into a lamp socket because you'll probably burn down the whole hotel. But thankfully I didn't. But I really like it. I'm giving it a thumbs up, and I'm going to put a link to it in the description. So if you're interested in it, you can buy one for yourself. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. Excuse me, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews as I do some other cool stuff. But I really like this blender. This is totally replacing, you know, well, I don't have to buy a $300 or $400 one down here in Florida now. I have this one here, which cost a third of that maybe. So it's totally awesome. Totally thumbs up for me. This is gonna work great. I mean, it looks a lot like my other one here. It's got the really hard plastic, so it's great. I love it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time I do another review. Okay, bye.